Vivo is getting ready to launch its next big flagships, the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro, and thanks to official teasers and a flood of leaks, we already have a pretty detailed idea of what's coming. So let's dive into all the leaked specs, teaser confirmations, and what we can expect at launch. Design-wise, leaked renders and Vivo's teasers suggest the X300 series won't change drastically from last year. You'll still see that signature circular camera module on the back, but this time with a flat rear panel and flat edges. The standard X300 is rumored to measure just 7.95mm, while the Pro comes in slightly thicker at 7.99mm. As for colors, the leaks show the X300 in lucky color, cozy purple, free blue, and pure black, while the Pro could come in wilderness brown, simple white, free blue, and pure black. On the front, leaks point to a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED display with 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate on the standard X300. The Pro model reportedly upgrades to a taller 6.78-inch panel. Both are expected to use Bo's brand new Q10 Plus OLED tech, with crazy features like brightness that can go as low as just 1 nit for night use, while still pushing high peak brightness for HDR. Under the hood, multiple benchmark sightings confirm that the Vivo X300 series will run on MediaTek's new Dimensity 9500. This chip is built for serious performance, with improved AI processing, upgraded ISP for cameras, and even console-like ray tracing support in games. RAM options are still unconfirmed, but leaks point to at least one configuration with 16GB. On the software side, teasers confirm the phones will ship with Android 16 running Origin OS 6. And interestingly, Origin OS 6 is said to bring new support for Apple's ecosystem, something that could make cross-device use between iPhones, iPads, Macs, and Vivo devices a lot smoother. Battery life looks like another big focus. According to leaks, the standard X300 might pack a massive 6000 mAh cell with 90-watt wired charging and wireless fast charging support. The Pro could go even further with a 6500 mAh battery, 90-watt wired charging, and 50-watt wireless charging. If these leaks are accurate, the X300 series could be among the longest-lasting flagships we've ever seen. Now let's talk cameras, because Vivo is going all in again with size. According to the leaks, the base X300 will feature a 200-megapixel HPB main camera on a 1x1.4-inch sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel Sony LYT602 periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. On the front, a 50-megapixel selfie camera is expected. The Pro, however, sounds like a photography monster. Rumors point to a new 50-megapixel 1x1.28-inch main sensor, paired with an 85mm equivalent 200-megapixel Zeiss APO telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. You'll also see a 50-megapixel selfie sensor on the front. Both models are expected to debut with the 4th-gen Zeiss imaging system, Zeiss T coating, Vivo's new V3 Plus imaging chip, an upgraded stabilization, CEPA 4.5 level on the X300 and a CEPA 5.5 level on the Pro. Video leaks hint at 4K 60 frames per second portrait recording, and Vivo is also teasing a new telephoto extension kit that will launch alongside the phones. The big launch event is officially set for October 13th at 7 p.m. China time, but until then, remember, most of these details are still based on leaks and teasers. Final specs and features may change at launch. So what do you think? If these leaks turn out to be true, would you go for the compact Vivo X300 or the photography powerhouse X300 Pro? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech breakdowns and deep dives.